Hey everybody, how you all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Hey, your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Not pretty? Welcome you all, my new subscribers. Welcome my new viewers. Those who are there from the beginning of the journey, welcome you all. And it's quite evident now that on West Indian Delights Cooking Channel, the family that cooks and eats together grows together, you all. Thank you. Thank you so much. Welcome to the Jamaican kitchen, you all. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. Now this morning, I'm going to do some Jamaican Sunday morning breakfast for you all. So I'm not, as I tell you, I'm not going to highlight right now. I'm not going to demonstrate to you right now. Sorry. I'm just going to highlight what we're doing, and as we go along, you see. So I'm not going to go in depth as when I want you to see what, to do it from scratch. As you know, when we're doing the dinner and the breakfast and stuff, we highlight them. And then we demonstrate the videos to you in different ways or different forms. Okay, y'all? So now this morning, I have here some liver, yes, my clean strip, wash, slice up my liver thin and nice. I have some callaloo. Well, the video for the Jamaican callaloo, how you strip, clean, wash and shred, sorry, it's on the channel. Check it out, you all. How I got the Jamaican callaloo to this, it is on the channel in depth. You can't miss anything. My pot is getting heated over here. I'm smelling it. So this is my pot for my liver. So I'm going to put in some oil. And for liver, you're going to put a decent amount of oil because we don't use water in liver. Okay, y'all? So to the amount of liver, you put the amount of oil. So that is there and it's getting heated. So we're going to start now to slap up some seasoning for our liver. And hello, please, family. We're not going to marinate the liver around here, We don't marinate liver and them sort of stuff around here. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grate, grate off my my garlic. So I'm going to grate off about 3 or 4 pegs of garlic inside my liver. Right there, because we have to leave enough garlic for the callaloo, because our callaloo takes lots and lots of garlicky callaloo. That's how we do it. Alright. To this now we're going to add a little black pepper. Oil is being preheated over there and it has to be really hot and the heat has to be high. Look at what I'm putting in, y'all. Remember, I'm not really demonstrating, I'm just highlighting. I put in some pimento right there, so slap in some pimento, a little bit of all-purpose Maggi, not a lot, just a small amount, just like probably half of a teaspoon. And then put in some parsley, herbsy. You know me and the herbs already, family. That's what I'm doing. And give them a shot over the stove there, so I have everybody, all of my pot over there. I have some cumin powder. This is for my my liver. This is for my callaloo. I'm going to boil up some eggs and I'm going to fry some plantains. So I have my thing all set out. Okay, y'all? So I'm going to put in a little celery powder, not a lot. Herbs. We're doing lots and lots of herbs. Our pot is getting all heated over there. And we are going to proceed to put in a few pieces of our scallion. You know my thing already, but family, me are careful in a cut a knife sharp. I don't want it really cut me this morning. And neither on camera nor off camera. Right? Because I want my scallion coming out like this. This is how I want my scallion. I'm going to burn some of my 2 stalks of my scallion in there. And you know my stuff already, you know me roll. So we want our scallion. And some I want my scallion. I want it sliced up this time. So we're going to chop the flame here right now. We have some of our scallion drop on the floor. Alright. Okay. Notching up our flame. And we're putting in our scallion. We have some drop on the floor, but we dispose of that when we get going. And suppose you all, okay, I need some salt. Not a lot. And we're going to proceed to rub up our liver. This is in here. You see what I use? Not a lot of powder seasoning, no, family. Not a lot of powder. Just a small amount of Maggi all-purpose. And we just rub up with liver too, rub. Liver sliced thin and nice and broad. Yeah, so we don't need nothing to marinate, nothing at all. And we have some, you know, liver take a lot of pepper. So we're going to put in a little cayenne. And we still want to slap in some of this little red pepper seed. Yeah, we want the liver nice like that. And so we have the onions, lots of onion rings. So make we go back over here and see what is happening. Yeah, man. This is my thing. You know it all. Okay? As I tell you now, we have to, it's like the liver. I'm going to do for you all the liver video. How you clean your liver, how you select it and all of those. So we're spelling at this point we're ready. So we're going to put the liver right in. I eat for your liver. So we have the liver thing on. So we are going to get the thing now. No water for the liver. So we have the liver like that. And we have it on some I eat. And we'll leave it going on. Yeah, family. Right over here I have a pot with some water. I'm going to proceed to cook up a few eggs. So I'm going to put my egg them little like what, family. So I just have to use that whole half dozen. I don't know why the eggs are so small these days. Look at this. This is like a joke, man. Okay, cold water. So I'm going to notch up my flame and leave my eggs to cook. I'm going to get my color rolling. Okay, y'all. So when you see me next, you will see our liver finish cook up. Gravy up. We have a color finish cook up. I have a fried plant and fry off, and then you know we do it. We're going to get everything together. And we're going to show you what our Sunday morning breakfast looks like, Jamaican style. Little bit.